students. How are you all? Okay students, did you write given exercise in your English notebook? Okay, now open page number 11 in your English textbook. Now pay attention in your textbook. We have done exercise A1 and A2 in your textbook. So today we will start with the alphabetical order. Okay, now read the following letters and words. Number 1, B, G, I, T, Y. Number 2, NA, NE, NL, NO, NR. Number 3, SAD, SAG, SAP, SAT, SO. In number 1, G comes after B. Students, you can see here G comes after B. Then I after G. Here I comes after G. Then T after I. T after I. And Y after T. Y comes after T in the alphabet. When you write the alphabet from A to Z, you see these all letters come in sequence. Now number 2. NA, NE, NL, NO, NR. In number 2, N starts every unit. All these 5 units starts with N. You can see here in all these 5 units N is there. NE comes after NA. NE comes after NA. Why? Because E comes after A. So, because E comes after A. After NA, then NL. NL comes after NE. Same way NO. NO comes after NL. Why? Because O comes after L. Then NR. NR comes after NO. Why? Because R comes after O. Here we arrange these according to second letter. In number 3, SAD, SAG, SAP, SAT, SO. SA starts with all the units. You can see here SA in all 5 units are there. But SAG comes after SAD. Here you can see SAG comes after SAD because G follows D. Means G comes after D. Then SAP. SAP comes after SAD because P comes after G. Same way, SAT comes after SAP because T comes after P. And last is SO. Here W comes after T. Why? Because T comes after W. Here we arrange these in alphabetical order. Now exercise B1. Write each of the following sets in alphabetical order. Students, now you know how to arrange these letters or words in alphabetical order. Now number 1. L, C, T, R, F. Now, okay students, which alphabetical letter will come? Yes, first we will write C. Okay, so write down C. Then which alphabet will come after C? After C, F. So write down F. Then L. Write down L. Students, you have to write with me in your textbook. After L, R. And last, T. Number 2. U, M, Z, W, N. First, which letter will come? M. So write down M with me. Then after M, N. Then U. After U, W. And last is Z. So write down Z. Now number 3. Bat, bag, bag, bass, bell. In all these 5 units, BA is there. You can see here BA is there in all these 5 units. Now here C is smaller. So here after BA, C is smaller. So first we will write BACK, back. Then after back, BAG, bag, because G comes after C. After bag, BALD, beld. After G, L. So write down beld. Then BASH, bash. And last is BAT, bat, because T comes after S. Now number 4. Spoke, boat, waited, pounced, forgot. Here all words are starting with different letter. So which letter is smaller? Students, tell me. Yes, B. So first we will write what? B comes first. So we will write bought. BOUGHT, bought. After bought, forgot. Write down forgot. FROGOT, forgot. Then pounced. POUNCED, pounced. After pounced, which word will come? Spoke. SPOKE, spoke. And last is waited. W-I-E-T-E-D, weighted. Now number 5. Frill, frown, fry, fright, fire. In all these units, FR is there. ये सभी यूनिट्स में FR है, बट लास्ट में क्या है? FI. So first FIRE, fire will come. Why? Because FI comes before FR. So we will write FIRE, fire. After fire, fright, FRIGHT, fright. Then frill, FRILL, frill. Then frown, FROWN, frown. And last is fry, FRY, fry. Number 6. Nagpur, Delhi, Shimla, Ambala, Pune. Here all cities names starting with different letters. So first we will write A, AMBALA, Ambala. After A, which letter will come? D. So we will write Delhi, DELHI, Delhi. Then N will come, Nagpur, NAGPUR, Nagpur. Then PUNE, Pune. And last SHIMLA, Shimla will come. Okay students, now exercise B2. Circle the word within brackets which belongs to the group of given words. Students, ये जो ब्रैकेट्स में वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, ये इस ग्रुप से इस ग्रुप में दिए गए वर्ड से बिलोंग करते हैं कि उसके ऊपर हमें सर्कल करना है. नंबर 1, एप्पल, मैंगो, बनाना. इन ब्रैकेट्स milk, orange and cake is there. Here these all are names of fruits, apple, mango and banana. Now tell me, which is fruit here? Milk, orange or cake? Orange, yes. So circle on orange, but answer is already given here. Okay students, now number 2. Rita, Leela, Anna. These all are girls' name. Sunil, Ali and Mohini. Okay, now which name is girl? Girl's name? Mohini. So circle on Mohini. Now number 3. Eagle, sparrow, dove. These all are birds' name. In brackets, crow, rabbit, lion is there. So, which is bird here? Crow. Yes. So, circle on crow. Number 4. Shop, hospital, school. They are names of buildings. In brackets, garden, house, sunflower. So, which is the names of building? House. Yes, house. So, circle on house. Number 5. Bicycle, train, aeroplane. These all are means of transport. So, in brackets, bird, sheep, bank. So, which one is transport? Yes, sheep. So, circle on sheep. Number 6. Yellow, purple, green. These all are names of colors. So, which one is color? Which one is color here? Parrot, orange or grass? Yes, orange. Orange is a color. So, circle on orange. Okay students, now your homework is write exercise B1, B2 in your English notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.